Don't know today are some ackee and saltfish. Yeah man, so you don't know Jamaica national dish we say, you know. One father and son, one natural vibes TV, you see me I say? Yeah man. I'm go and take in the nice ackee and saltfish. You know my son, catch it for the people then. And so you do it. Great Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Subscribe and like. Check out Walkabout TV. And you check out Father and Son Natural Vibes TV. 2 stations now one. Yeah man, so today we have cook some ackee and rice. Ackee and saltfish. So as you can see the nice saltfish them in here. So we'll cover them a little more. So I put a little bit more black pepper. Yeah, so ackee always go with black pepper, you see me? Yeah man. So you guys can see great Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Yeah man, so as you guys can see, my son can't take the black pepper, because you know the black pepper kind of, yeah man. Yeah, you put it on way down like that so people don't know see the menu. Alright. So we'll cover it, let it steam a little bit first. So we have the rice over this side. So we have a pot of white rice and we have a pot of ackee, so get a 4 rice to make we have plenty of rice. Yeah man, you know today we have a lot of rain because we have a tropical storm in Jamaica. So if you guys might hear a lot of noise from the rain. So right now I just sharing my son dinner. So as we say, we cook some rice and ackee and saltfish. Get your rice. Yeah man, this is a great national dish, ackee and saltfish. So you guys tell me what you think. You think we grew up knowing this is the national dish. You think chicken back or chicken should be Jamaica national dish? Yeah, because I think those food eat more than ackee and saltfish, but it's just because it's a very nice thing. So that's my son dinner right there. Yeah man. Yeah man, so you guys can just look. As you can look, you can see nice ackee and saltfish. And as you can look back here, yeah, see that? So we have the leftovers here. So son I go eat first, then you know say father and son I go burn a one high grade clip and walk up him appetite for go take on something. So you guys keep subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment, tell another friend, and if 5 family in one house, please you guys keep share the video. Look again, nice Jamaican ackee. Get a photo for me there my son. Yeah man, the whole country are flood out man, see that? Everywhere are flood out. Natural Vibes TV, one father and son, one TV to the world. The whole place under peer rain as you guys can see. Everything are flood out. You can see water run, water run. Yeah man, see that? Everywhere under flooding, flooding. Whole Jamaica flood out right now. So we just go and Bill, you know, enjoy the ackee and saltfish menu with me. You know, say one father and son, one TV, one nation, we say, to the world.